Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackU.com. Today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Motochino V2 riding pants. Okay, the Motochino V2 riding pants retail for $209.95. As of the time we shoot this video, please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing first. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 34-inch waist, right? About 205 pounds roughly. These are a 34, and they fit perfect, exactly as I would like. So I would say for most, these are going to be completely true to size. They're available in the color that we're showing you right now. This is a really casual pair of pants, right? Like if you're wearing, like, say, a polo to work or something, you're riding in, right? They would probably work for that. Maybe not my kind of style, but we're going to review them nonetheless. 5 storage pockets. We have 2 pockets, one on either side, a small pocket right here. 2 pockets on the back with a button fly. These also include aramid reinforcements. You're going to see those in the second part of this video. We'll turn the pants inside out, give you a closer look. But they essentially span from the hips all the way across the seat. The weight of the denim itself is relatively, I would say, middle weight, right? It's not real light. It's not super heavy. They are very comfortable. And there feels like maybe there's just a touch of a spandex property to it. It includes level 1 certified CE armor in the knees and shins, both sides. This is that BioFlex stuff, right? It is really thin, very comfortable, very moldable. You can't even really tell it's in the pants. Still, you get that CE level of protection. The pockets that they're in have 2 levels of adjustment. You're able to raise or lower the armor just a little bit. If you want to take the protection to the next level, there are pockets that also allow for installation of hip armor that is sold separate. You'll find that in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. If you like what you see so far and you want more details, stay tuned for the second half. I'll take them off, turn them inside out, and give you a closer look. Okay, here we go, the Motochino V2 riding pants from the inside out. I removed the knee and shin armor that comes in the pocket. This is that new stuff, right? That BioFlex from Alpinestars, level 1 certified. You can see how low profile, comfortable, moldable, yet still very protective that stuff is, okay? Super casual styled pants. Got storage pockets on both sides. Slip your hands in there. Got like a little pocket right here. Back of the pants. That's how deep the pocket is, right about there. There is a button on both sides. Real clean styling. Belt loops, of course. Let's pull the legs, turn them inside out so you guys can have a look at the reinforcement. The denim that's being used, it feels to be a pretty decent weight. And with the styling, I think it's really clear this is more of a casual, maybe ride into work kind of pant. Here is some of your reinforcement that they have built into the pant, right? These aramidic panels, right? Here in the seat area, roll over to the hip area. Speaking of hips, if you want to add the hip armor, there are pockets on both sides, right? You'll find the pieces that fit in there right in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. It's a very easy add, right? And the pockets are all linen, so they're very comfortable. Here are the armor pockets for the knee and shin. Just simple slide in and out. There is 2 levels of adjustment, right? You can see here where the stitching breaks. If you need to raise it up a little bit or lower it down, right? Need it to ride lower, put it in the outermost pocket, ride a little higher, put it in the innermost pocket. This fabric here runs continuous from the top of the pant all the way down under the knee to keep the pants comfortable for the rider. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.